Hello, everybody. Say hi.
Oh, hi. Hi. Oh. Hello.
You have to give him a greet. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's.
You can tell it's Valentine's. Look at her little pink hair.
I did it just for you guys.
And your little pink makeup.
I did it all pinky.
I'm blue. I'm literally blue. I'm all blue. Welcome to our very fun. It's not even really, the food isn't Valentine's themed, but we love pickles.
Yeah.
So we're doing pickle air fryer spicy dill pickle chip.
Yeah, I'm into it. I mean, that's my love language at least. So.
A pickle?
Yeah. Okay. Anything pickled. Yeah.
So yeah, pretty easy. We're gonna show you how we slice the potatoes, marinate them, toss them in the stuff, put them in the air fryer.
Love it.
Simple. We've already got some slice, as you can see. What is this called? What kind of cut is this? Not waffle.
Is it crinkle?
Crinkle?
Yeah. Ridged,
Ridge,
if you will.
We've got our little
Ruffles. Okay.
We've got our slicer, and it's got like that little edge. Well, you actually probably can't see this, but it's got that little edge to it. So I have to turn it this way. Julia was teaching me. Well, I know how to use it, but I wasn't doing it very good. So then you just.
She said practice.
Yeah, she said. So this is how you do it.
Perfect. Just put a little
oomph in it.
Yeah.
These ones are a little thinner because I probably had it on the wrong setting this time, but. You're getting the idea.
Yeah.
I think you know how to use. I hope you know how to use the slicer. So discard those because those were all bad. See, Julia knows how to do it good. TJ knows how to do it.
They're gonna look like this.
They're supposed to look like that. I'm not very good at it.
You can set your. Well, I mean, I guess you could just set your slicer to like whatever thinness you prefer.
Yeah.
So.
If you want it thin, go for it. Some of ours are thicker, some of ours are thinner because we switched to the settings, but. So now, you're gonna take your pickle juice.
Love it.
From the jar. Then you're gonna put your little dill in. Boom. Then, we're gonna marinate the potatoes, in the little...
Pickle brine?
In the pickle brine.
Love it.
How
long do you do this for?
You're gonna marinate it for 1 hour.
Okay.
My hands are clean.
Really let them soak up all of that delicious pickle flavor.
I'm just mixing it. Okay.
Nice.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yum. So we're gonna let it marinate and we'll be right back. Cut. Okay, we're back. The chippies have marinated and now we're gonna pat them dry so they can get all crispy in the air fryer.
Let me do the honors.
Yeah, you do the patting. Do they smell good?
They do.
They smell like pickies?
It's very pickly over here, guys.
Pickle. Okay, so now we're gonna put them in this bowl. Toss them in there.
Should I just do it?
Yeah, just do it. Do the thing.
Nice.
Okay.
We have a special guest. His name is Sammy. Hi, Sammy.
Sam. Oh, now he doesn't want to talk. Okay. So, sorry, I'm reading my instructions. Okay. Do a little oily. It says to toss with olive oil now.
Oh, okay.
I don't know where the tongs were.
We could just use a spoon. Why not?
Spoon.
We'll get creative.
You want to toss it?
Sure.
Oh, sorry. I'm in the frame.
Tossing it.
I'm like...
I'm hogging it, guys. I'm hogging the show.
Okay.
All right.
So now we do all the spices. We got some salt.
Because we need more of that, for sure.
Cayenne to give it a little spice. That's where the spicy dill pickle chip's coming from, you know. You can add more or less. If you want them really spicy, like... Girl, add however much you want.
If you wanted it super, super spicy, if you had like hot pickle brine.
Oh,
like
that's a good
spicy
idea.
pickle brine. You could add that.
That's a great idea, actually.
All right, she's mixing.
Give them a toss. Should we spray this, you think?
I mean...
Or you think it's fine? They have olive oil on them.
Yeah, I feel like they're nicely coated.
That one's gonna be crazy.
I know, that one's yours.
There's one chip that has like all of the cayenne.
It was hogging all the spice. Okay, we're ready.
Okay, we've preheated our air fryer, I almost said oven, our air fryer to 325, and now we're gonna pop them in. I guess just like in a little row.
Yeah.
Oh, I did that one badly.
Probably don't want to overlap too much, right?
Yeah,
For the
I'm
crispy situation. Oh, yeah. Do you think this is something that you toss sort of like halfway through?
It says to keep tossing it every few minutes to see if they get crispy. Have you ever had a Krispy Kreme?
Krispy Kreme donut?
Is it crispy?
Have you had a Krispy Kreme donut?
Have you seen that video?
No, I'm sorry. I'm totally lost. I thought that you're... Okay, so you...
It's a video.
Okay.
Have you ever had a Krispy Kreme?
You're going to have to send that
Was
to
it
me.
crispy? I'll show you. Okay. Gorge. Sorry, watch your little head. Can they see it?
No.
Oh, okay, perfect. They're all
We'll see
in,
them after. That's when
they're
it's
all
important.
in there. And now, do I press this button?
Yeah, we're going to have to turn it on. And then
Oh, we should restart
have our little temp. Yep. There we go. We did preheat before we put them in there. So,
Well, it's at 3:30 because this one doesn't do increments of 5.
yeah.
But we put it on for 15. We're gonna toss it every like 5 minutes maybe.
Yep. Sounds
And we'll be
good.
back when they're crispy like Krispy Kreme.
Okay.
All right. Guys, the pickle chips are done. So these were some of the thinner ones we had to take out a little bit earlier so you can get a sneak peek.
Ooh.
But then, ready, reveal.
Oh,
Wow.
yummy.
Delish.
Ooh.
Oh, amazing. Wow. Anyway, you get it.
Oh, I love it. I love this. This is going to be good.
Anyway,
It's okay. Don't worry.
we put it back in.
Sure. Well, it's a little hot, so I'll just scooch it. There we go.
Cooking isn't fun unless there's a mess going on, right?
Right.
Okay. So like I said, we've got our chips. They almost broke all in half because I dropped them.
They look
Period.
really good. Can I have some?
Yeah.
I'm
Well,
ready.
tell them what you're dipping those in.
Okay, so
This is a little crazy to me. I've never done this.
This is a me thing. I don't know. Tell me in the comments if you like this too.
Okay.
But in my mind, a potato goes well with ketchup and mustard.
I want this
so a little ketchup and mustard on the side for a little dip action. Obviously, you could do ranch or whatever your little heart desires. So we're gonna go for it.
Wait, let's give a thumbnail. Ready? Go like this. Is that good? Okay. Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm. Yummy. It's really good. I like these a lot. I'm gonna make this all the time. All right.
It's a little spicy.
I like the spice. Did you get the spicy one?
No, I got some spicy though.
One of us is gonna get surprise.
I'll dip my unbitten side in your little concoction that you got going on.
If you like pickles, this is a must try. What do you think?
I'm gonna try a burnt one. Why am I so spicy?
Yes, I want.
You ready for this?
Smells good.
I like them with ketchup too.
I think the ketchup cools it a little.
The little sweetness,
I don't know
but
about the
the like
mustard part.
tanginess. I'm into it.
They're pretty good.
I love it. 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
So,
I think so.
make this for your loved one tomorrow on Valentine's Day. Today on Don't give them that one. That one broke. Broken heart. Make this today. Sorry, we're filming this the day before. Today on Valentine's Day. Make this tonight for your partner, your loved one, your significant other, whatever they
Your
may be to you.
besties.
Your bestie. Your gal is for Valentine's Day.
Mm-hmm.
It's delicious. A nice little app, or even on a cheese board, if you will.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Delicious.
I love
So
it.
yeah, we'll see you guys next week for a fabulous Hatch Facebook Live.
Ooh, I
Next
love
week is
Hatch.
So we'll see what we come up with for that.
Perfect.
We'll see you guys next week.
Bye.